2018 to 2022 Chevy Colorado USB replacement with the aux port. It's the same thing, USB aux ports all together. It's this guy right here. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this. It's actually not too bad, but what you will need is a plastic pry bar interior tool. This is so you don't scratch your interior. You could use a flathead for this, but you're probably going to scratch up your dash area and it's not going to look good. So you could pull your shifter back safely if you need more room, but we're going to go on the side of this. On the sides of this, there's these little thin notches so you can get something in there. You can barely see them, but they're right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take my plastic pry bar tool and just kind of push and wiggle it and push this thing in. And then once you get it in, you're going to twist it and just kind of work your way around. You could use the little hook part on here. I'll link this part below. And then once you get it out, you're going to gently just kind of grab this and kind of snake it out. Luckily, the wire harness is pretty long, so you can have a lot of room to get this off. There's two connectors. They both have thumb tabs in the center. You push the black thumb tab and pull the connector back. The gray one's a lot harder. You have to use two hands on that one, and just be patient with that one because there's a connector within a connector on that one. But once you get it disconnected, we're just going to take a look at here. We'll go ahead and get a new one. There's a part number on a sticker on the side of this. If yours doesn't have that, that's okay. Here's the part number. They sell the OEM GM one on Amazon. It's 89 bucks. It's got 5 stars. And then if you want to try it a little cheaper, they do have aftermarket ones for 40 bucks. They have good ratings, but I don't have any personal experience with these ones, but I'll link them both below. You could decide what you want. Once you get your new one, all you got to do is unbox it and come over here and plug our connectors in. The gray connector has a connector within a connector, so you got to be patient when you're plugging this one in. You want to make sure it's lined up perfectly and then kind of push it in. It should kind of click or snap into place. Once you got that one in, all we got to do is get our black one in now. Just line it up. It can only go in one way, and then it should slide right in, no problems. Just push it in. And then after you got those plugged in, we're just going to carefully route these wires back into the center console. They could be a little annoying, but just be patient and take your time. And then when you put this in, you got to make sure it's the proper orientation. There's a little notch on top, and you have to put it in with the notch on top, and it'll go in just fine. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.